Treats? You guys want your treats? Here comes Ziggy. No! Oh my god!
Do it. Ah, shit. Got a flower on my cap. Wow. Oh. What the? Wait! I'm about to. Mimi!
Damn, babe. Oh.
Potato salad. That's good potato salad. It's good potato salad.
Oh no. Oh dear. Ah!
Don't be filming me, brother. You got your rapist homo thug black balls over there. What the hell are you talking?
What are you doing?
Hey babe, what you doing?
Making it into a sausage.
Saucisse.
Perfect. Okay, right this way. Okay. I feel good. I feel happy because I.
Haven't seen my cat in a month and she does this, bro.
Yep.
Jack! You little sausage! What are you looking at? If it's something freaky. Oh! Hey Alexa, what does a dog sound like? Hi.
I got your belly. I got you.
Car Weezer on to the max. Part 1. Croissant. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
It's okay.
Why is it spicy?
Today I learned Mina doesn't like strawberries.
Çekten geçin şuradan.
Please, stop licking outlets. You son of a bitch.
No. Ow! Knock it off. Hey. I'm about to hit you with right hook.
Shut up.
Shut up. Stop. Just talk on the phone. Jeez.
I don't want to declutter because I feel like that's cruel, but and then I get scared that she's gonna herself because that's not safe.
You want some chips?
Yes.
He hates my lemon grab voice.
Well, if it isn't Leo the cat. What's the matter, Leo? Do you not like my voice? Was it something I said?
Rachel.
What?
Jordy is starving, bro.
There's food everywhere.
Nah, bro, she needs you to fluff it.
I'm not fluffing it. She needs to quit being bougie.
Excuse me. Oh!
What you doing over there?
I have been chosen.
Guys, they came and they took his head and his limbs.
Nice bedhead. Still handsome.
So good and tasty.
You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done.
For you, Little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
God, stop drinking. You're gonna drink us out of house and home.
See this? It's for scratching Banksy when I'm not super close to her. I'ma boop you on the head with some scratchies. I'ma boop you. Yeah, baby.
Jack.
He lives a life of peace that I could destroy at any moment. But I won't.
Oh, cool.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
Cause I don't care.
Yeah, immediately
when I'm
no.
with my-
Immediately
Wow.
no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know, and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're a little lad when you're not really a little lad, but you just can't get berries and cream because they would never do the little lad.
This is the reason I don't trust cat people. They will attain a cat and name it some shit like egg. Egg and cat. And the worst part, it looks like an egg.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this.
Nala, are you doing okay?